and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvme here, and they sent me this beautiful shoulder length silky straight bob wig. Guys, listen, when I tell you this wig was wigging, and not in a bad way, like, yo, when I honestly, you know what, let me tell you something. When I was installing this wig, it literally ripped right here, but I'm not gonna show you guys right now. It ripped, okay? And I was so worried because I'm like, how the hell am I going to get this wig to look how I want it to look? But it came out very, very cute. I love it. This wig is very silky, little to no shedding, like literally. Honestly, stiff wear. It's the fact that it's full all the way to the ends, like it's not thin. And normally when you have bobs, that's always my worry. Whenever I'm supposed to get a bob wig, I'm always worried that the ends are going to be too thin and it looks very awkward, especially in the front part. Like typically the front part is a little bit shorter, so then right here looks very thin. But not this wig though, not this wig. I really love this wig. Like, it's so cute, giving me very much grown and sexy. But before we jump into the installation of this wig, let me just show you guys what they sent me inside the package. So inside the package, they sent me some clips, some stocking cap, comb, scarf, wig labeler, and the bag to put the wig in when I'm done wearing it. Now if you guys would love to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
You guessed it, yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga, I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about you, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it, you can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. fucking bitches, now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even all your friends that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you did. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? Now you look so stupid, and it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Tell your friends about it. Tell your friends about it. What you see, how I did it on the low. Tell them niggas, tell them bitches, tell them niggas I'm just living. Tell them now you thought you was the nigga, fucking bitches. Now you wishing you were with me, living life so chill. Oh, what the fuck was you thinking? You probably wasn't even thinking. Oh shit. Now you gotta tell your friends about it. Gotta tell them how you fucked up on that
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The link to the wig will be down in the description box, so if you guys would love to purchase it, definitely check down below. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Yeah, got a whole lot of red rubies on my neck.